Customizable ergonomic gaming keypad manufacturer, Azeron is based in Latvia's Science and Innovation Center, Visium, in the idyllic seaside town of Ventspils. Since 2019, Azeron has grown to more than 100 employees and ships its keypads to over 100 countries worldwide. The company offers service unlike any other in the world. This is the story of Azeron and begins with the computer game launch.
It started in a little village in Latvia.
2012, Guild Wars 2 is released. Being MMO, this game has a rich control scheme that requires moving, interacting, targeting, and initiating a ton of skills. And for one avid Latvian gamer, playing Guild Wars 2 with a keyboard was such a chore that he started looking for compact devices that would allow him to play the game longer, comfortably, and without the need to hurt his hand while pressing a lot of keys on the keyboard. Soon, however, he realized that the market could not help him, and being a Guild Wars fan and a creative wizard, this guy decided to create his own controller. His solution was a wooden custom gaming keypad that allowed moving a video game character with one finger and performing all other actions with the rest, without the need to move the hand. It was Imits who started Azeron, a company today known in over 100 countries around the globe. Developing a product means lots of experimentation. As time marched on, the keypad progressed through many iterations, changes, and improvements until it was decided to manufacture the device with the help of a 3D printer. That's how Imits met Inga, one of Latvia's most talented 3D modelers and a passionate gamer herself. The idea united both innovators, and soon after it became a family matter. The joint efforts of Imits and Inga resulted in the 3D printed ergonomic and adjustable keypad called Azeron Classic. Having received a lot of praise from the internet community and friends, Imits decided to send keypads to YouTubers for review. Beaks highlighted the strong points of the keypad and its impressive advantages over a keyboard in the highly acclaimed video game Fortnite.
And the special thing about this keyboard I bought is that it allows you to have controller movement while keeping all the same features as a keyboard. Because I'm using my thumb to control the entire movement of my character, that means that I now have 3 fingers, which I have entirely freed up. For example, if I ever need to edit immediately, I can do that now because I no longer need to move my finger to press a button.
The reaction from viewers was overwhelming. The only thing gamers needed to know was how on earth they could order the Azeron keypad.
Take my money!
Following the extremely positive reaction of the gamers, it was decided to establish a company and start producing and shipping keypads. 2 more oddballs joined the team, and in July 2019, Azeron was born. It took 7 years for Imits to finally fulfill his idea. Having moved to its first premises, Azeron started to build its dream team and accept the first pre-orders. The company offered 2 models of keypads, Classic and Compact. Every single keypad is handmade with love. Clients were able to customize the device, pick colors and sizes, choose versions for the left or right hand, adjust the ergonomics, and map the keys to create custom control schemes. Azeron's robust customization and adjustment options and personal approach to each client allowed gamers, including war veterans and people with special needs, to obtain unique handmade devices. Team Azeron goes full force to help and find the most suitable solutions. Gaming keypads became available on the Azeron store, Etsy, and later on Amazon. Their vision, diligent work, respect, and care for their clients allowed Azeron to build a loyal community in Discord and later on Azeron forums. On these platforms, users can chat and seek help from anyone on Team Azeron. The growing community of 10,000 plus members, with its amazing support, keeps Azeron developing further.
Once the software's on there, it just works.
There's nothing compared to it. So simple, easy to use.
This is the future of gaming.
And I'm never gonna go back to a normal keyboard.
Must have peripheral.
The company values its clients and gamers. Thus, passionate and competent customer support was formed, which aims at assisting Azeron's growing community 24/7. Azeron's keypad has gone through many improvements in its first year of existence, so it can withstand a hardcore gamer without bending or breaking. With the team growing, marketing was formed, and it wasn't long before Team Azeron began teasing and later in 2021 launched their new beast. gamers became impatient and the demand was huge. Ergonomic Azeron Cyborg introduced even more adjustability and customization options, allowing gamers to fit the keypad perfectly for their hands, thus prolonging their gaming sessions. Having listened to their customers, in the second quarter of 2022, a lighter version of this beast was released, Cyborg Compact, which boasts the versatility of the former model and a smaller form factor. As the team grew and worked on future projects, the passion and creativity of Azeron demanded more spacious premises. It was time to move on. In October 2021, the team moved to the newly built Center of Science and Innovation Visium, a union of architecture and landscape. Ironically, the unique building shape is reminiscent of the Azeron keypad, specifically the palm rest. The new location allowed the team to increase the number of employees, all kinds of equipment, printers, and all in all, improve the working and recreational conditions of the team, despite facing the challenges of the pandemic. Plus, the Azeron boasts the finest view in Ventspils.
I suppose the view would be quite nice from up there.
Team Azeron is a family of 100 plus people, and being a family, the company chooses to face challenges hand in hand. They celebrate all kinds of victories together. Holidays and parties. And support their colleagues when they are out facing all kinds of hardships. And of course, gaming also plays a major role in the team. Big awards and recognition from society, both local and international, are among those things that drive Azeron to do more and innovate further. Azeron's latest effort is Cyro, a one-handed controller, customizable functionally, visually, and mechanically. Maintaining the trend, the latest device proudly carries the letter C in its title, just like Classic, Compact, and Cyborg. Despite its laconic name, Cyro brings to the table a major goal: to help people with disabilities dive into the diverse world of video games, or get back into it. Love for their work, passion for gaming, the urge to innovate and experiment, as well as learning from their mistakes. These are the things that force Team Azeron to constantly do more. And rest assured, the company has quite a few tricks up its sleeves.